ASP Agarura Anxious, the OC Traffic Trade Division has urged all the Boda operators across the country to embrace discipline during their work in order to avoid having fights with the police officers on the roads.
You find they want to involve themselves in mob action, in beating up people, even though they are not sure of what someone has done. But you find someone has made an alarm, but without reason of any asking what has happened, you find they are beating and killing someone who might be innocent. So I am calling upon them, always when there are such instances, they can even call police or any other authority that will be in here, or they bring such a person to police for interrogation and finding out what has happened, but not involve themselves in beating up those people.
The program's coordinator, Safeway Right Way, Susan Muheire, noted that the campaign has been carried out in all the 5 divisions, ending with Makindye, where more than 300 Boda riders have been attending. She says that however much most of them had issues with the police when arrested, the OC is to deal with this matter.
The issues that have been common throughout these meetings has been one, the relationship between the Boda riders and the traffic police. There seems to be a bit of misunderstanding. So some of them will say that they do not give them an opportunity to be heard, that they will pick them off the streets and not handle them well. So we had the Deputy Commander KMP address that today, and we hope that the relationship can improve.
She adds that the Boda riders have appealed to the government to reduce on the taxes that they incur in order to be able to afford the requirements needed for the road usage, especially when it comes to the new electronic number plates.
There's also the issue of driving permits, or driving licenses as we call them now. The cost of the driving license has been an issue that has come up several times. The riders saying that it is not fair if they are paying the same price for the driving licenses as the drivers of the bigger vehicles, for example, the buses and the taxis. And of course, today, as we talk about helmets, the issue that has come up severally is the cost of the helmets.
Magaza Joshua, the councillor of Area 2 Parish Makindye, noted that the Boda riders have a lot of challenges and the issue of electronic number plates introduced, which are to be paid for. These are in disagreement with it. They want them to be given for free.
Has tried to improve the system to electronic number plates. Now why should they pay for them? We always appeal to government that these number plates should be for free, because these are taxpayers. They always pay taxpayers money.
Some of the Boda riders have said that their leaders in the parliament have failed to understand them, and they even believe that that's why the government has passed the idea of introducing the electronic number plates, which are to be paid for, yet they have no money.
Tuyinza kunenya government nga kyayise mu parliament, tunenya ba member parliament betwasindikayo abasobodde kuyisa ekintu ekyo. So osanga kinaatuyamba naye ffe nga abavuzi ba boda kijja kutunyigiriza ennyo.
Gavumenti tetusuulirira etukozese tutambulire wamu nayo. Z'ensonga zange ezo.